Amid rising international tensions in various parts of the world, here are three topics that drew a particular interest from our visitors on armyrecognition.com. New information about the Turkish amphibious assault vehicle ZAHA project to be operated from the multipurpose amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu has been released. FNSS will deliver a total of 27 vehicles, 23 personnel carriers, 2 command and control vehicles, and 2 rescue recovery vehicles. The contract was signed between SSB and FNSS in Ankara on the 7th of March 2017 in order to meet the needs of the Turkish Navy, the Marine Corps. The hull design and powerful water jets give ZAHA high mobility with a maximum speed of 70 km/h on land and 7 knots on water. ZAHA is fitted with a remotely controlled weapon station housing a 12.7mm machine gun and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The South Korean company Hanwha Defense is ready to send its AS-21 Redback Armored infantry fighting vehicle to Australia to conduct local testing and evaluation. The Redback was selected last September as one of the final 2 candidates for Australia's armored vehicle project. In September 2019, Australia announced that 2 companies were shortlisted for the Australian Land 400 Phase 3 that consists of the acquisition of 450 tracked IFVs to replace the 113 AS-4 armored personnel carriers. Rheinmetall offers its KF-41 Lynx, while Hanwha Defense proposes its AS-21 Redback. The Redback is based on the K-21 currently in service with the South Korean Army. It has a larger internal volume to accommodate 8 soldiers on top of a 3-man crew. Like the original K-21, the AS-21 Redback is armed with a 40mm automatic cannon, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and a 12.7mm machine gun mounted on a turret. The backside of the roof turret is fitted with an anti-tank-guided missile launchers. The vehicle will be fitted with a new generation of active protection system. Qatar is now equipped with the most modern combat vehicles made in Germany, including the Leopard 2A7 Plus main battle tank, the PZH 2000 self-propelled howitzer, the Dingo 2 HD 4x4 armored vehicle, and the Fennec 4x4 light reconnaissance armored vehicle. According to Military Balance 2020, Qatar is attempting to transform its military capabilities and the regional defense standing based on significant equipment acquisitions with the aim of creating one of the most well-equipped forces in the region. The speed and scale of the equipment plan suggests that Qatar will need significant foreign help to integrate and operate its new capabilities. In 2013, Qatar placed an order with KMW for 62 Leopard 2A7 Plus. The first ones were delivered in 2016 by Kraus Maffei Wegmann. Qatar purchased Dingo 2 heavy-duty armored vehicles based on a Unimog chassis, so becoming the first customer for this vehicle. 14 units have been delivered in 3 versions: ambulance, command posts, and radar reconnaissance. These vehicles have also been optimized for use under high temperatures. In 2014, Qatar also ordered 32 Fennec reconnaissance vehicles that were delivered from 2017 to 2019. The Fennec is a 4x4 armored vehicle produced in Germany by KMW.
This week, you expressed a particular interest in the following topics for the naval sector. First, French Navy future nuclear attack submarine Suffren begins trial in Toulon. Second, Hellenic Navy commissions 6 Super Vita-class fast attacking crafts. And last but not least, the US Navy is investing in Mine Countermeasure unmanned vehicle Knifefish program. On July 29, 2020, the Suffren, first out of 6 nuclear attack submarine of the Barracuda program, will arrive at Toulon Naval Base to begin a new phase of testing in the Mediterranean Sea. Led by the General Directorate of Armaments and by the French Navy, sea trials is necessary preliminary step before the final delivery of the ship planned in 2020. The arrival of Suffren in Toulon marks a new milestone in its test program. For the record, the submarine was launched in 1998, with the construction beginning in 2006. The Barracuda program will modernize France's submarine nuclear fleet. The first 4 will be delivered by 2025, and the French Navy will be able to gradually retire and decommission its first generation of nuclear-powered attack submarines. Hellenic Navy commissioned 6 Super Vita-class fast attacking craft, with a ceremony held at Scaramanga Naval Shipyard on July 28, 2020. Also known as Rusan class, the new ship will be named Karatansis with hull number P78. During the commissioning ceremony, the Greece Minister of Defense, Nikolaos Panagiotopoulos, emphasized the importance of naval power of Greece in the Aegean Sea and Eastern Mediterranean region. First ship of the class was launched in November 2002 and commissioned in December 2005. Last ship of the class, P79, will likely be launched next year. The Rusan class fast attack craft are based on a stretch variant of the successful Vita design in use with the navies of Qatar and Oman. General Dynamics, which provides engineering support for the Navy's Knifefish system, is set to get an additional $13.6 million for continued program support. This comes on top of the initial $9.2 million contract that General Dynamics received for the program for the Navy. The Naval Sea Systems Command of the US Navy selected General Dynamics Advanced Information Systems as the prime contractor to develop Knifefish as part of its surface mine countermeasure unmanned underwater vehicle program. The program is intended to be completed by September of next year, after which full-rate production will begin in 2022. The Navy has expressed interest in purchasing a total of 30 Knifefish systems, 24 of which will support littoral combat ships operations, and 6 of which will be used in other ships that may face the threats from naval mines. In the many important topics released this week by Air Recognition editorial team, you showed a particular interest in the following ones. First, Egypt will receive its first Sukhoi Su-35 fighter aircraft from Russia. Second, the first 5 Indian Air Force Rafale fighter jets arrived in India. And to conclude this video, the first HERON TP MALE UAV for Germany completed first successful flight in Israel. In March 2019, it was reported that Egypt would procure 2 dozen of Sukhoi Su-35 in a deal valued about $2 billion. Deliveries were expected to begin as early as 2020 or 2021. Deputy head of the Rosoboron Exports, Sergei Kornev, denied the signing of any contract to supply Su-35s to Egypt. The first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets built for the Indian Air Force by French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation arrived at Ambala Air Force Station in the state of Haryana on July 29th. These jets departed Dassault Aviation's Mérignac facility in France on July 2007. And covered nearly 7,000 from the Mérignac airbase near the French port city of Bordeaux. In 2016, India signed an intergovernmental agreement with France to purchase 36 Rafale fighter jets in flyaway condition for $8.8 billion. Out of the 36 Rafales ordered by the IAF, 28 are single-seat jets designated Rafale EH, and the remaining are dual-seat jets designated Rafale DH. According to information released on Jerusalem Post website on July 26, 2020, the first HERON male TP UAV has completed its first successful flight in Israel before the delivery to the German armed forces. In June 2018, Germany has signed a leasing agreement for the Israel Aerospace Industries male HERON TP unmanned aerial vehicle. Under this contract, the German Army will receive 5 male HERON TP able to conduct reconnaissance missions, but that can be also armed. The UAV was modified according to the requirements and the needs of the German Ministry of Defense. Well, keep in mind that Defense Web TV has more than 1,400 videos on its YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell here under the video to be informed of the latest defense and security news.